you how to design some different parts for your machine here and how to bring in some parts from other places. This video first is showing you how to make some gears. So here's how you make a gear. You go to Utilities, Add-ins, Scripts and Add-ins, and then click on the bottom one, which is called Spur Gear. There's two of them. Click on the farthest bottom one. Click Run. And then we can adjust these features in here. So the diametral pitch is how many teeth per inch your gear has. This is the number of teeth it has. This is the hole in the middle, and this is the thickness of the gear. You don't need to worry about root fillet, backlash, or pressure angle. So I'm going to do a diametral pitch of 3 for fun, and number of teeth of 10. And I'm going to do a gear thickness of 0.125 for the laser cutter, though you could do 0.5 for the CNC machine as well, and a hole thickness, a hole diameter of 0.2. Then we can see what that looks like. Here's a gear right there.